rice, my onions, my chicken to go with it, and then come my rice.
Lucas, wat wil jij vandaag consumeren?
So let's dip into everything is missing guys. So mix all together. This is not how I make my fried rice, but this is fast fried rice. For the
Je rijst is nog niet meer fried yet.
I need to put this. There's all the mix. Normally I fry it in the pot, in the pan, but I
Of
don't
course.
I don't have the strength of doing
You have
it.
to do that with the taste of your vegetables.
Papa, it's not you that teach me how to cook either.
You see the love.
You want to say, make
Guys.
you cold rub me. Oh, darling, I eat it, let me test it, and it.
Oh.
Yeah, you have faith in it.
Do you want with or without noise?
What? I don't blame you. Well, I can't bring those big plates then, so I can. Mama can do everything for his children, but you don't understand. Come and taste my rice, it's tasty. Come on, can you taste it? The taste is enough. Come and taste it, the taste is enough. Get a spoon, or you will taste it later. Just spoon, come and taste it. It's tasty enough, get spoon and taste it. The taste is nice. I think I put too much chicken. No, I'll put milk. Oh, not tasting. The taste is okay. Add a little bit mango. We are frying jollof life.
See, that's not Chinese, eh? It's jollof rice.
Fried rice. I can say whatever I want to say now. Later I'll mute it and do voice. Because I'm not all around. So you can do whatever you want to say. It's your business. So my husband's birthday rice is now. Husband will not try. Husband really was kind now. Papa, is the white one in the fridge? If not, check this in a bit so it can be chilling before I finish. You know, you give me 25. Then I take it chill myself. Who is cooking also have to enjoy. I think the leftover from all this thing inside. I take the either cool myself down. Where's the red one? White one.
First, see you eat the leftover.
No, that one, give me another to drink it. I put another one in the fridge. So when I'm eating, I need another one.